Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome Loyalty Squad, this is the Velvet Locks with another wonderful video for you today. Now today we're going to be making a wonderful detox smoothie that is going to help to cleanse you out. It's full of antioxidants, full of vitamins and fiber, and this is going to slim you down, okay? It's easy, and all it takes is 3 ingredients and it's simple. That's it, okay? So let's start this video right now. Alright, so let's get started. What you're going to need for this recipe is 1 apple, okay? It could be green, it could be red, but it has to be cored, okay? Then you need a cucumber. Now, a regular cucumber would be good. This seems to be an extra large cucumber. That's fine too. And lastly, you're going to need some nice green kale. Now, this is a bag of kale. The recipe calls for 2 stalks of kale, but instead I did 4 cups. I don't know if that's 2 stalks, but we're going to see, all right? So to start this video off, you're also going to need a NutriBullet, a blender, whatever you have that's going to be able to grind this up together and blend it really nicely, okay? So let's start right now. So what I'm going to do is just core my apple. I have my little apple core. Okay. And then once you do that, you're just going to pop that inside of your NutriBullet or blender. Okay, now what I'm going to do is de-skin this cucumber because it is not organic and it does have a waxy film on it. So I'm just going to de-skin it really quickly. Now one thing with the cucumber, it gives you lots of cucumber juice. So this is why we're not going to be needing anything else. This is a super green smoothie filled with antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, minerals, you name it. Okay? And it doesn't take long at all. So what we're going to do now is just cut our cucumbers in pieces so it can fit in our blender. If you got a full blender, that's even better. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to finish cutting this up. And then what we're going to do is pop this on real quick, blend this down so we can pack up the rest of our ingredients in here. Okay. Wonderful. See, we made room. Okay. So we're just going to pop the rest of our ingredients in there. Okay, and our kale. Now we're just going to put as much as we can and blend it down because this is not a full-size blender. So it's really not going to hold a whole lot all at once until it's in liquid form. So let's just blend this down a little bit. Alright, and pop the rest of it in there. Alright, and we're going to blend for at least a minute. Get it nice and smooth. Wonderful. Okay. Now I'm just going to get one of my favorite mugs. I call this my Big Mama mug. Okay. This is my Big Mama mug. And we're going to pour that in. Wow, I tell you, that Big Mama mug, I can't even tell you how many ounces that holds, but it's perfect. And lastly, put my metal straw in there. So let's try it out. Delicious. Now, if you have a red apple, that would be even better because you would have more of a sweeter taste to it. But this is just perfect, you guys. What you have in here is a powerful green smoothie made with your kale, your cucumber, and your apple. Now, the cucumber, the bigger the cucumber, the more juice you're going to get, which is the base of this drink. Which is why you don't need water, you don't need coconut water, you don't need milk, nothing. The cucumber is going to do it just fine. Alright? If you want to add a little something to it, like maybe some chai seeds on the top, that's alright too. But you don't need anything else. This is a wonderful to-go smoothie filled with nutrients, filled with vitamins, filled with antioxidants, fiber. It's going to push, it's going to clean you out, okay? Also, don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day because you have to replenish your body and hydrate it, especially now that it's summertime, all right? But these are wonderful ideas for you to stay on your weight loss journey because it's summer. We're going to be eating all that other stuff out there. So stay on your detox smoothies, stay on your detox teas, and you're going to see results in your body, all right? And I have many, many more detox remedies coming your way. Easy recipes for you to follow. That's going to keep you on point. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Share these videos, you guys. Thumbs up these videos, all right? Let's get these videos going in the algorithm. And this way, you will be able to see more of these detox teas. Also, don't forget to check your notifications to make sure that that bell is lit because, you know, sometimes YouTube plays games with your subscribers. So a lot of times you may not see some of my videos until later on. So make sure and check to make sure that your notification bell is on and you will get more of these videos as soon as I upload them, alright? So until the next video, you guys, like, comment, subscribe, share these videos, and I have much more coming your way. So stay tuned. And until the next one, I will see you then. Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget also to turn on that notification bell so this way you will not miss another one of my videos. Okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.